Hey everyone, welcome back to. Today, we're talking about two of our all-time favorite snacks, samosas and pakoras. Yes, these crispy delights have more to them than just taste. Let's dive into the health benefits of eating samosas and pakoras. I know. You're thinking, health benefits? Aren't these deep-fried snacks? But hear me out. There are ways to enjoy these treats while getting some health perks too. First up, let's talk about happiness. There's a reason why a plate of hot samosas or pakoras makes everyone smile. It's called the happiness factor. These snacks are comfort food at its best. When you're happy, your body releases endorphins, and that's definitely a health benefit, right? But seriously, let's get into the ingredients. Samosas and pakoras can be packed with vegetables like potatoes, peas, spinach, and onions. These veggies are loaded with vitamins and minerals that are good for your health. And don't forget about the spices: turmeric, cumin, coriander, and green chilies. They're not just for flavor. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory, cumin aids digestion, and green chilies are rich in vitamins A and C. Another benefit is the use of chickpea flour in pakoras. Chickpea flour is high in protein and fiber, making it a healthier alternative to regular flour. It helps keep you fuller for longer and supports your digestive health. And let's not forget the versatility of samosas and pakoras. You can bake them instead of frying to cut down on oil. Baked samosas and pakoras can be just as delicious and much healthier. Now, portion control is key. Enjoying these snacks in moderation can be part of a balanced diet. Pair them with a fresh salad or yogurt dip to make a more nutritious meal. And here's a tip: make them at home. When you prepare them yourself, you control the ingredients and can make healthier choices. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious content, and let me know in the comments your favorite type of samosa or pakora. Until next time, happy snacking!